Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best HVAC ducting that are available on the market for their true quality.
I put this list together based on my personal experience and hours of research. I ranked them by popularity, quality, price, durability, user reviews, and more. If you'd like more details or want to see the latest prices, be sure to check the description below. And don't forget to subscribe for more reviews. Alright, let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the HealSmart 6-inch aluminum ducting. The HealSmart ducting is designed for versatility and durability, making it perfect for various applications like kitchen exhausts, grow rooms, and bathrooms. With its aluminum foil and PET construction, this ducting can withstand temperatures ranging from 0 to 185 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring reliable performance in different environments. The built-in steel wire adds reinforcement, allowing for a long-lasting product that can handle everyday use. Its flexible design means you can easily adjust the length to fit your needs. And when not in use, it conveniently stores away without taking up much space. Moving on. At number 4, we have the RubberCal HVAC Insulated-Flex Ducting Ventilation Duct Hose. The RubberCal Insulated-Flex Duct Hose is a highly versatile and cost-effective solution for your HVAC ducting needs. This 6-inch by 25 feet hose is compressible and easy to transport, making it convenient to use for both permanent and mobile air conditioning units. Its insulation provides both acoustical and thermal insulation, ensuring that the temperature of the air inside the hose is maintained. Whether you need to regulate the temperature in a commercial building or a residential space, this insulated duct hose is an ideal choice. With its compressibility, cost-effectiveness, insulation, and portability, the RubberCal Insulated-Flex Duct Hose offers convenience and efficiency for all your ventilation needs. At number 3, we have the AC Infinity 6-inch Backdraft Damper. The AC Infinity Damper is a specialized duct insert designed to enhance your home's airflow system. It effectively prevents unwanted backflow and debris from entering your ducting, ensuring cleaner air circulation. The outer rubber gaskets create a tight seal, making it ideal for use with range hoods and bathroom fans. Additionally, its galvanized steel construction and spring-loaded blades allow for smooth operation with minimal airflow, providing you with a reliable solution for your HVAC needs. You can easily install it either horizontally or vertically, giving you flexibility in your setup. At number 2, we have the VIVOSUN 6-inch aluminum ducting. The VIVOSUN ducting is an essential tool for enhancing air circulation in various settings. Its premium aluminum construction ensures longevity, resisting both high temperatures and corrosion. You'll appreciate the reinforced multi-layer design, which includes a built-in steel wire for added durability and leak resistance. This flexibility allows you to easily adjust the ducting to fit your specific needs, whether you're connecting to an exhaust fan or an inline fan. Additionally, the included stainless steel clamps make installation straightforward, providing secure connections for your ventilation projects. And finally, at number 1, we have the AC Infinity 6-inch Noise Reduction Clamp. The AC Infinity Noise Reduction Clamp is designed to connect ducted components securely while preventing air leaks. Its flexible, heavy-duty rubber construction easily fits over duct ports and piping, making installation a breeze. The clamp also minimizes noise by absorbing vibrations and sound from airflow, creating a quieter environment for your growing or HVAC setup. Additionally, it features adjustable stainless steel hose clamps that ensure an airtight seal, providing peace of mind that your system operates efficiently without leaks.
Thanks for watching. That's all for now. I hope to see you in the next video. Until next time.